I don't think there's one thing better than showcasing your affiliation that you're a veteran. Republican, Democrat can get flack. Cat lovers, dog lovers can get flack. But I think this is important. And so whether you're a real estate agent, whether you're a web dev partner, or a Matterport 3D aerial, virtual marketing provider, I think this is important to have. So, I'm gonna for those that are my clients, please let me know, and we're gonna apply for this. You have to the VA. We got to send some stuff to, but it's very easy to do. I just had someone. I found this from someone else, and then I gave it to another person, and they did it, got it, and it's all good. So please let us know if you're a client of ours or you're affiliated with us somehow. We'll help you with it, and if not, go get it. I mean, I know if I see this, it sways me because I want to support veterans. So something to think about and get done. And this is something to have on your website, on your social media, even in your branding. Like the covers, the Twitter cover and Instagram and LinkedIn and Facebook covers, as well as having a post saying, hey, we're just to let you know, we're a U.S. veteran-owned business. And then in your email signature, you should have it to where it has a thing there that, either by that logo by itself or it links to a page that talks about you and your service and what you did and all that stuff. So, on a sick day or a weekend or, watching the football game, this is something that you can do that I think will pick up at least, for real estate agents, probably 1 or 2 deals a year. And for everyone else, you'll pick up more business overall. All right? Thanks.